If you're anything like me, you can never have too many shelves. I like shelves of all kinds, metal, plastic, rollers, bookshelves. I need all the shelves because I have a lot of stuff and I like to keep it all organized. This little shelf I thought would be great for my craft supplies. It does not have any instructions, so we're gonna put it together right now and see how it goes. Each of these plastic parts, this is just plastic, each of these come wrapped in these individual sheets, which I think is such a waste. If this is really all there is to it, then I'm gonna say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Maybe so. Are you kidding me? That could not have been easier. Is this really all there is to it? So, open. It slides in there. This part just slides over that. But pretty decently thick. So far so good. Yeah, they're not wobbly. Now I'm gonna see how they stack. There's no way to slide it in there, so it just rests on top. It's not latching in any way, which I don't like. I like for these kinds of things to latch, because look, it's just gonna slide around. Well, I spoke too soon about assembling it, so I won't get ahead of myself. I already got ahead of myself. I won't get any more ahead of myself. Last one. Just slides right in there. That could not have been easier. Now let's see if we can figure out a way to get them to stay attached. They definitely rest on each other. I'm not seeing any way to attach. They're staying together quite nicely. There is no catch in the back, and there is nothing to lock it into place. So this is definitely not, you can do this. You can slide them. You could use it like a dresser basically if you wanna. And if you had craft stuff in here and you just wanted to pull the actual container out, I could see that being a benefit. But if this is gonna be something that you access regularly and use often, I don't think you wanna use this for that. I don't think this would be great for clothes, because if you wanna pull it out to sea, you've gotta hold on to this to keep it from all tumbling over. And I think that if you were to just, kind of hit it too hard, I think, look, it's sliding all around just as I'm talking about it. So if this is gonna be a high traffic item, if you're looking for something that's going to be a high traffic item, I do not encourage you to get this. If you're looking for something in a craft room, something that you want to be able to store stuff in so that you can move it around easily from room to room often, I think this could be a good way to go. I feel like it's really sturdy. Each individual bin is really sturdy, but I feel like the whole thing connected is a horrible, horrible design. For me personally, I hate it. But because I'm gonna put this in a closet for my craft stuff, I think it'll be okay. I would show, I'll show you right now how it'll be in my closet. As I was bringing it in here to put it in my closet, I kind of drug it around the floor. It scratched up my rock floor. I'm sure this will just wash right off, but do be aware that you wanna be careful. If you're putting this on a hardwood floor, yikes, you might ruin it. So do be careful of that. I have something behind here, so this will fit perfectly once I move that. But I just wanted to show you how it would look like this and demonstrate how it works. It stayed together. I carried it in just like this and nothing fell apart. It stayed very nicely. And see how if there's a wall back there, you can easily, not bad if you're putting it in a closet or something. I'm gonna set something heavy in it just to kind of get a feel for how much it can hold. This is a super, super heavy decoration. It's bowing down a little bit right there. That thing probably weighs 10 pounds though. It's quite heavy. If you're gonna put heavy stuff in it, it still seems to be secured, but you're gonna lose the plasticity if you put too much heavy stuff in it. So maybe, like I said, craft items, clothes, maybe towels in a bathroom, but nothing too heavy. I'm taking that out.